Do you ever wonder why some freelancers on Upwork seem to land job after job while others struggle to get their first client? Here's the truth: success on Upwork often comes down to one simple factor: your profile. Today, I'm going to share the secrets that top freelancers use to turn their Upwork profiles into client magnets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to optimize your profile and stand out in a sea of competition. Let's dive in. First impressions matter. Studies show that clients are 40% more likely to click on profiles with professional photos. And on Upwork, that photo is your handshake. So, what makes a great profile picture? It's simple: keep it professional, approachable, and clear. Use a high resolution image where your face fills about 60 to 70% of the frame. Wear simple business casual clothing and make sure your background is clean and uncluttered. It could be a plain wall or even a blurred office setting. Remember, your smile makes all the difference. People hire people they like, and a warm, confident look tells clients you're someone they can trust. Your headline is prime real estate. It's one of the first things clients see right after your name and photo. If your headline doesn't immediately grab attention, clients may never even scroll down. Here's the trick: be specific about the value you bring and use keywords that clients are searching for. Instead of saying writer for hire, try SEO copywriter, blogs, articles, and websites. Or instead of graphic designer, write brand identity and logo design specialist. Short, snappy, and keyword driven, that's the formula for a killer headline. Think of your overview as a conversation starter, a chance to tell clients why you're the perfect choice. Avoid generic statements like, "I'm skilled, hardworking, and reliable." Instead, focus on what makes you unique and show that you understand the client's needs. Start with a hook. Looking for engaging, SEO-friendly content that drives traffic? You're in the right place. Then, highlight your top skills or past results in a tangible way. For example, I've helped businesses boost their organic traffic by 35% in under 3 months. Finally, end with a gentle call to action. Let's chat about how I can help your business grow. Keep it client-focused and outcome-driven. If content is king, then examples are everything. Including a well-curated portfolio is like handing over undeniable proof of your abilities. Pick 3 to 5 of your absolute best samples. And here's the kicker: make sure they're tailored to the type of jobs you want to land. Are you a designer? Upload a mix of sleek logos, website mockups, or branding projects. Writers can share blog posts, ebooks, or web copy. Don't have much experience yet? No problem. Create dummy projects or offer your services to a friend or local business. The goal is to show clients what they can expect from you. Did you know that Upwork's search algorithm relies on your skills tags to help clients find you? Many freelancers overlook this, but it's a game changer. First, select relevant skills from Upwork's suggested list, but don't stop there. Research job postings in your field to see which skills clients mention most frequently. For example, if you're a digital marketer, you might notice phrases like email marketing or Google Ads popping up over and over. Incorporate those terms into your skills and profile description. This simple tweak can drastically increase your profile's visibility. Here's a fact: clients don't always hire the cheapest freelancer. They hire the one who offers the most perceived value. When setting your rates, especially as a beginner, research the rates of top freelancers in your niche. Then position yourself slightly below as a starting point while emphasizing your value in your overview. For example, with my competitive rate of $25 per hour, I deliver premium quality blog content that's optimized for search engines and designed to engage readers. This frames your pricing as both strategic and client-focused. Here's an insider tip: the proposals you send actively shape how clients perceive your profile. A poorly written proposal will drive clients away, even if you have an amazing bio or portfolio. When sending a proposal, make it personal and specific. Address the client by name if possible, mention something unique about their project, and show enthusiasm. Then, follow up with proof: additional links to your work or results you've delivered in the past. Upwork's algorithm rewards active freelancers. So even if you don't have projects lined up yet, spend time refreshing your profile, updating your portfolio, or applying to jobs daily. The more active you are, the more visible you become. And there you have it, the ultimate secrets to transforming your Upwork profile into a job-winning machine. Remember, success on Upwork isn't about luck, it's about strategy. So take these tips, apply them, and get ready to see a difference. Your next client is out there, searching for someone exactly like you. Are you ready to show them why you're the perfect choice? Let me know in the comments which of these tips you're going to try first. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more actionable tips to level up your freelance career.